Hello everyone, this is Matt from Real World Review, and today I have a box that is literally nothing. This is the Nothing Phone 1, and this is the box that it comes in. So on the front, it's actually a sleeve, so it's just a white piece of paper that goes all around it. Not really sure if this is because of the beta program, but this is what it looks like. On the back it tells you which model you have, serial number, all that good stuff. But let's take off this sleeve, and here is the box. On the top it just says Nothing Phone 1, and it looks like it's just a picture of the actual phone itself, while the back is where the barcodes are again, and again it just says Nothing Phone 1 with nothing on it. Going back to the front, you can actually see the phone is just wrapped around the front of the box. Kind of cool idea. Definitely a new idea. I haven't seen this before. But yeah, either way, just like that, the box is also kind of interesting too. There's this little pull tab on the top, and we're just going to pull this and literally rip the box. I kind of wish I didn't have to do that, but I guess that's how it's supposed to be. This little piece comes off, and now we can take out the phone, which is right here. And then we have a little thing for the accessories. So we have the SIM card ejector, which looks pretty cool. Then we have a USB-C to USB-C plug that oddly looks like the Apple ones. And then we have a safety instruction manual, whatever you want to call it, for the phone itself. And that's it. All you do is you just get that charging cable. You don't get the charger, which is pretty standard for most phones. And at $300 or $400, it kind of makes sense. But let's put that back in, and we'll peel off this cover. And here is the phone. And if you don't know anything about this phone, or nothing about this phone, then you'll be surprised that it's transparent on the back. But yeah, this is what this phone is. And honestly, looks pretty cool. Definitely looks better in person than it does online. But while we wait for this to power on, let's just try and fix this box. And you can actually see that the box is really the back of the phone. So let's go through this. Let's change this from English UK to English United States, even though it really doesn't matter because everything is still going to be UK English. But let's skip through the setup. It does tell you about the glyphs on the back, which I'll show you a little bit. But yeah, the setup is pretty quick. There's not really much to do. And the interesting thing is you get wireless charging, and it kind of reminds me of like the MagSafe charger for iPhones. Just the only difference is this wireless charging is huge compared to iPhone wireless charging. The interesting thing is this did ship with Android 12, even though I got this for the beta program, which is supposed to be Android 13. So I guess I got to do the update myself. But yeah, here's the glyph, and I don't really know what I'm doing. And I guess the flashlight doesn't do the glyph. I feel like that would be a cool idea. Then if we go into the camera, you can actually play around with it, and you can activate the glyph for the camera, which I think that's pretty cool, kind of like a fill light. So that's going to be interesting to use. I got around the wireless charging, and it's not really showing anything. I don't understand that. But yeah, the next thing that I'm going to do is ironically put this in a case. It does come with a screen protector, so I'm not going to put a screen protector on this right now. Obviously, it's not a glass one, but it's just a normal screen protector. But yeah, I'm just going to leave it like this, and I'm going to test out this phone, and I'll let you know what I think. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section or message me on socials listed above. And as always, thanks for watching.